More on Visual Basic.
Dear students, you have read introductory topics in VB in previous chapter, and by now you may be quite familiar with VB environment. In this chapter, we are introducing some more tools of VB which will help you to create more VB applications. Adding image on a form. Image control is used to add an image on the form. Click Picture Box Control and click on the form. The picture box control will be placed on the form. You can simply double-click the picture box control to place the control directly on the form. On the picture box control placed on the form, you will see a small arrow on the top right corner. Click this arrow and select Size Mode from Picture Box Tasks. Right-click on the picture box control. Select Choose Image option from the drop-down list. Select Resource dialog box appears on the screen. Click Import button. Open dialog box appears on the screen. Select the location and picture to be placed. Click Open button. The picture will be placed on the form. Adding shapes on a form. You can add various shapes on the form. These shapes include line, oval, rectangle, pointer, etc. If you do not see Shapes control in the toolbox, then you can click the Visual Basic Power Packs option in the toolbox to see them. Practical example. Write a VB program to show traffic lights. The result should show 3 circles. One with red light, the second with yellow light, and the third with green light. When a user clicks a button, the light should be according to the button clicked. Steps. Draw 3 circles on the form using oval shape control and adjust their size equally. These oval shape control will be referred to as oval shape 1, oval shape 2, oval shape 3. Oval shape 1 will be used for showing red color. Oval shape 2 will be used for showing yellow color. Oval shape 3 will be used for showing green color. Properties of oval shape controls. Set Fill Style property of all the oval shape controls to solid. Draw 3 button controls on the form using button control. The button controls will be referred to as button 1, button 2, button 3. Draw text box control on the form. This text box control will be used to show you the following words. Button 1 will be used for stop command. Button 2 will be used for wait command. Button 3 will be used for go command. The following commands and statements will be used in the different parts of the programs under button controls. For button 1, oval shape 1 dot fill color is equal to color dot red. oval shape 2 dot fill color is equal to color dot white. Oval shape 3 dot fill color is equal to color dot white. Text box 1 dot text is equal to stop. For button 2, oval shape 2 dot fill color is equal to color dot yellow. Oval shape 1 dot fill color is equal to color dot white. Oval shape 3 dot fill color is equal to color dot white. Text box 1 dot text is equal to wait. For button 3, oval shape 3 dot fill color is equal to color dot green. Oval shape 2 dot fill color is equal to color dot white. Oval shape 1 dot fill color is equal to color dot white. Text box 1 dot text is equal to go. Save the form by pressing Ctrl plus S keys. Save the project by giving a suitable name to the project. After writing the program, press F5 key to run the code. Variables in Visual Basic. A variable is a named storage location to store some values when the program is running. In Visual Basic, variables are used to temporarily store values during the execution of a program. Every variable has an associated data type such as integer, string, date, etc. Declaration of variables. A variable is declared using dim statement. Dim is the keyword in VB that tells it that a variable is being declared. Operators in Visual Basic. An operator is a symbol which works on data items and performs some mathematical calculation or changes the data. For example, plus is an operator symbol which is used to add two data items. Types of operators. Basically, there are three types of operators in VB. Arithmetical operators, relational operators, logical operators. Arithmetical operators. Most programs perform arithmetic calculations. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values. These operators compare the values and return true or false as the result. Logical operators. These operators are used to combine one or more than one condition and display the result. Control statements. Control statements govern the flow of a control in a program. Visual Basic starts at the top of the list of commands and executes them one after the other until the list is exhausted. They are used to control the execution of a program. Let us study VB control statements. If then statement. This is a selection statement. It is called a single selection structure because it selects or ignores a single action. Syntax: if condition, then statement. Example: if percentage more than equal to 80, then label 1 is equal to high first division, and if then else statement. This statement is an extension to the simple if-then statement. It is used for making decision based on the result of comparisons. If the condition is true, then the statements written after the word then are executed. If the condition is false, then the statements written after the word else are executed. Syntax: if condition, then set of statements, else set of statements, and if. Example: if percentage more than 60, then label 1 is equal to first division, else label 1 is equal to second division, and if. Select case statement. The select case statement is an alternative to if, then, else statement. It can execute the statements based on different conditions. A select case statement works with a single test expression that is evaluated once at the top of structure. Syntax: select case test expression. Case expression 1. Statements: case expression 2. Case else. Statements. And select. Example: select case number. Case is equal to 1. Label 1 dot text is equal to merit position. Case is equal to 2. Label 1 dot text is equal to high first division. Case is equal to 3. Label 1 dot text is equal to first division. Case is equal to 4. Label 1 dot text is equal to second division. Case else. Label 1 dot text is equal to sorry, fail. And select. Do-while statement. The do-while statement is used to execute a block of statements for indefinite number of times. The do-while statement evaluates a numeric condition to check whether to continue the execution or not. This statement executes the statements till the specified condition is true. It stops execution when the condition becomes false. Syntax: do-while condition. Statements. Loop. Example: dim count as integer. Count is equal to 2. Do-while count less than is equal to 30. List box 1 dot items dot add bracket start count bracket close. Count is equal to count plus 2. Loop. For next statement. This statement is a repetitive statement. When the number of execution is known in advance, for next statement is used. It uses a variable called a counter that increases or decreases the value of number of executions. Syntax: for counter is equal to start to end. Statements. Next.